Middle Fork of the Salmon. Neil is an excellent fly fisherman, and he's also handsome. Yeah, get it over to that other side.
Where?
The other side, like where you're going. Bye-bye, Neil.